It's a 2015 Toyota Avalon. It has a timeless design that allows you to embrace style with substance and an interior that feels as if it were made just for you. Heated leather trim seats, soft touch materials, and French stitching create the environment as you command the experience with intelligent touch controls, a backup camera, and the liberating eBin sliding electronic device holder. The STAR safety system grants you the assurance so you can focus on the potential of its sport, eco, and normal driving modes.
Let the sun shine and fresh air in with the sunroof. Heated mirrors improve visibility in frosty weather. Ride in style and comfort with leather seat trim.
Embrace a better way. Take this Avalon for a test drive.
Buy with confidence a Toyota of Cool Springs. We are conveniently located at 1875 West McEwen Drive in Franklin, Tennessee.